Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD display assembly from a Dell Inspiron 15 version 5543. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove the access door. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unscrew the hard drive. Then lift the hard drive out of the laptop and remove the hard drive connector. Then unplug and loosen the circuit board and display cables. Next, unscrew the fan. Now unplug and remove the fan. Then turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a flat head screwdriver, carefully press the keyboard tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Now turn the keyboard over and unplug the cables. Then remove the keyboard. Next, unplug the palm rest cables. Then remove the palm rest screws. Now close the laptop and turn it over. Next, unscrew and remove the bottom base. Next, unplug the wireless card. Now unscrew the left and right hinge screws. Then remove the palm rest. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.